Hey side hustlers, ready to turn your passion for fashion into a profitable side hustle? Let's dive into how you can generate extra income with your own clothing line using print-on-demand services. First, what's print-on-demand? It's a fantastic model where you design your own clothes and a third-party company prints and ships them for you. No upfront costs, no inventory, just pure creativity. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. It could be anything from motivational quotes, quirky designs, to niche-specific apparel like fitness or pet lovers. The more unique you are, the better. Next, create your designs. You don't need to be a professional designer. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Even simple designs can sell like hotcakes if they resonate with your audience. Then, find a print-on-demand partner. Websites like Printful, Teespring, and Printify are popular options. They handle printing, inventory, and shipping, letting you focus on what you do best, creating awesome designs. Now, set up your online store. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and even your own website are great places to start. Make sure your store looks professional and reflects your brand's vibe. Promotion is key. Use social media to your advantage. Share your designs on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Collaborate with influencers or run targeted ads to reach a wider audience. Finally, always engage with your customers. Their feedback is gold. Use it to improve and expand your product line. Remember, building a successful clothing brand takes time and effort. Stay consistent, keep pushing, and most importantly, have fun with it. So, what are you waiting for? Start designing, start selling, and start earning. Your side hustle awaits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more side hustle tips. Let's make those dreams a reality.